Today, we will discuss noodle production and how noodles are made in modern factories.
Now we are starting the raw material intake process.
Now we are performing the flour screening process.
Now we are injecting water with extreme precision.
The idea that one extra drop can destroy the batch feels unreal.
This isn't mixing, it's food engineering.
Now we are mixing the dough using high-force machines.
Now we are resting the dough under controlled conditions.
The dough isn't waiting, it's being engineered.
Now we are dividing the dough into perfectly measured portions.
Now we are aligning the gluten structure using precision rolling.
Bad alignment ruins texture. These machines don't allow mistakes.
Now we are cutting the dough at extremely high speed.
A fraction of a millimeter makes the difference between perfect and ruined texture.
Now we are cooking the noodles instantly using high-pressure steam. Now we are shock cooling the noodles to lock the texture instantly.
The temperature drops in seconds. The texture is locked forever.
Now we are curling and folding the noodles automatically.
Now we are flash frying the noodles to remove moisture instantly.
Now we are removing and recovering excess oil using a vacuum system. Now we are injecting seasoning into the noodles using electrostatic systems.
Now we are scanning every noodle block using X-ray inspection.
Contamination detected. Perfection moves on. Everything else is trash.
Now we are cutting each block to an exact target weight.
No moisture forms. Drying is engineered.
Now we are rapidly cooling the noodles to prepare them for packing.
Invisible cooling, but absolutely critical.
Now we are wrapping the noodles at ultra high speed.
No hands, no contact. Perfect seals every time.
Now we are coding and tracking every single pack.
Now we are performing the final inspection using AI systems.
Now we are packing and palletizing the crates using robotic systems.
Now we are dispatching the products for global distribution.